Well, everybody, this is Cartoonist Ryan, and I have just sold the Mazda. And the reason I am selling it is because it blew a coolant seal in the motor, so it needs a motor rebuild, and I just don't have the time to do that anymore. And this is also going to be an update on the Intrepid, which, as you can see, has been in an accident. I was involved in a hit and run, and basically they hit me on the driver's side. There's a scrape on the driver's side, and I did a 360 into a wall. It was on January 1st, and that car is totaled. Obviously, I still drive it. It runs and drives fine, but I sold this so I could save up and get a nice car and have a nice reliable daily. So thought I'd just keep you guys updated with that. I will go from here.